Hey everyone, if you're trying to launch F125 and get the error, this software cannot be used at the same time as the game DiscSoft LTD Daemon Tools. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Open the Start menu and type Task Manager. Launch Task Manager. Look through the list and find any Daemon Tools services. Right-click on each one and select End Task. Do this for all Daemon Tools related services. Open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager to open it. Expand the section called Storage Controllers. Locate Daemon Tools, right-click it, and choose Disable Device. Press Yes to confirm. When it asks to restart, click No. We'll restart later. Next, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click anything related to Daemon Tools here and select Disable. Press Yes to confirm. Now, restart your game. Open the Start menu and type Add or Remove Programs. Open the Add or Remove Programs window. Scroll through the list and find Daemon Tools. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. Press Uninstall again and then click Yes. Make sure to select Clear App Data, including preferences and activation info. Click Uninstall and wait for the process to complete. When it's done, click Reboot Now. After restarting your PC, launch F125 again. The error should now be gone, and your game should run without issues. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your game.